back to our channel. We're back with another organizing video for you today. I have my son Trey here.
Hi.
Joining me today. Anyways, so we are going to be organizing our entryway today, but before I jump into that video, I want to go ahead and give you some updates on our channel. So our main focus for our channel will continue to be to share organizing tips for you that may help you at your in your home. So, but we are going to be adding some cleaning motivation videos, some vlogs. We are going to be doing some couple challenges. You know, we did the koala challenge recently. That was a lot of fun. If you haven't seen it, make sure you check that out. So you're going to be seeing a lot more of my husband and my kids in our videos. I might be doing a declutter series because since the kids have been home more, I have noticed that we do have a lot more stuff than we need. There's definitely some stuff we can declutter, and some parts of my home need to be reorganized or tweaked up a little bit just so that they can function better for our family. So I'm going to be taking you guys along with me, and I'm going to be posting a lot more organization videos, so make sure you guys stay tuned for those. And don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get organizing. Okay, so I purchased this dresser on Facebook Marketplace probably about 6 months ago. I was planning to use it somewhere else, but recently I've noticed that we have a lot of our shoes in the middle of the hallway, like when you go into our house and stuff. We do have a mudroom, but unfortunately we don't go in through our garage. So the mudroom is when you go in the front door, it's like down the hall and to the right. So the shoes actually never make it in there. So I'm gonna go ahead. I was actually looking into the IKEA shoe storage, but after reading the description, my husband's shoes will not fit in there because he does wear, 12 and a half. So they won't fit in in the shoe storage. I was really hoping to use it, but those aren't gonna work for me, unfortunately. So I'm gonna use this dresser. It's, I got it off Marketplace, like I mentioned. It was about $20. So my husband already sanded them for me. Actually sanded him a couple months ago because I was supposed to do them, stained it back then. But I have some stain already on hand, so I'm not gonna go out or anything. I'm gonna take off the hardware, go ahead and start staining, and I'll let you guys know how it works out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so one of the handles for the drawers is actually a flathead, so I'm gonna go look for one of our flathead screwdrivers, so I'm gonna be right back. Alright guys, so I am done. I'm not sure if I'm going to do another coat or not. I kind of like the way it looks. Like I said, this is probably not the way everybody's going to do it with like a sock. You can use a paintbrush and stuff, but this is what I'm doing for now because this is what I have. I like it. Like I said, it's probably not the way most of you guys do it, but this is the way I'm doing it, and I like how it's turning out. So I'm going to go ahead and let it dry, and then I'll let you guys know if I decide to do another coat or not. So I found some decorations on other parts of my house. Like I said, I'm not going out, but so I did decide to take the knob out. It was bothering me that there was only one, and you can open the drawer easily. It's not a problem. But I want you guys show you what I ended up putting on top. I do have a candle from Bath and Body Works that I got on sale. I believe last year it was like $10. I had this plant, another area of my home, and I just put it here. These two books, I'm not reading these books. I actually got these at a Goodwill, and I just like the colors, the blue, and so I flipped them over this way, and I put this bell here that I like. It looks a little antique, so my mom actually gave that to me, so that was free. So, and the plant was $5 at Walmart. So like I said, it's just simple, but I really like it. It looks nice in this corner. So my daughter actually, she's gonna show you where her shoes are gonna go now when you enter. Let's go, baby girl. Can you show them? Mm-hmm. Where do they go?
They go in here.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like it? Yeah? All right, say bye to them.
Bye-bye.